Welcome back to 5 Things. This week we're going to talk about how you can become an RxJS developer, just like the amazing Aaron Frost.
Whoa.
What?
Yeah.
So first things first, RxJS, NgRX, Reactive Programming, are they all the same thing? What's the difference?
Yeah, so reactive programming is a paradigm of how you put data into your app and respond afterwards. RxJS is a tool that makes it easy to do that. And NgRX is a way to, when you have a crazy amount of chaotic state going around, and you're kind of in a chaotic environment where chaos meaning a lot of conflict in data, NgRX helps you kind of harness everything back into something that makes sense.
Do you live in a world of chaos, Aaron?
I have 5 children, so I know nothing besides chaos.
I feel for you, man.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're programming the RxJS. I've heard people call it a lot of things.
Yeah.
What do you call it?
I call it a state container. A stream it's a place where you put data and it comes out the other side. When I think of what PubSub is, I consider RxJS to be the most elegant PubSub I've ever worked with.
So we publish something, subscribe to something, and a stream is how we get that data
Yeah.
back.
I have one person publishing and I could have n number of people subscribing to it.
So programming with RxJS,
Yes.
subjects are really important.
Super.
Behavior, async, all these different kinds. What's your favorite?
I like the behavior subject for a few reasons. When I name my variables, my behavior subject, I name the variable BS at the end. So it's great fun, like total BS.
Sure.
Absolute BS, things like that. Additionally, the behavior subject is a pretty complete subject. You start with a default value, which
like
state
that.
has default values. It gives you sharing built in, so you don't have to worry about more than one person subscribing to it and that causing the whole event, the whole stream to fire again. So it's a pretty complete start to finish subject.
Hey, we're talking about favorites here.
Yeah, favorites.
Yeah. And who's your
exactly.
favorite child?
Can I say? Are you going to show my kids?
We talked about subjects. There's only a couple of those. Which of the 100 operators in RxJS is the one you use most often?
combineLatest, just because that used to be an operator and it got switched to a top-level observable. But it is when you're creating a reactive app and you're having to flow multiple streams together to create derivative state. combineLatest is really where a lot of the art comes in. combineLatest and then what's from. So I'm going to have to say combineLatest is the operator of sorts, observable of sorts that is the one I think people need to understand the most.
You know what my favorite is? Dematerialize.
Dematerialize.
I have no idea what that operator does, but it makes me think of Thanos snapping his fingers, and then we all just disappear.
Half the code in the universe disappears.
It does, it does.
That's awesome.
And Aaron, the last thing. So I hear you're putting on a conference about it.
Yep, so in September, we're going to have a first-time event called RxJS Live. The RxJS core team will be there. A lot of the members from the React, Vue, Angular, Node communities that are working on RxJS are going to be there. So we're going to be in Vegas. It's going to be 2 days. It's going to be a lot of fun and learn Rx and just
And if
kind
you
of
come out there, Aaron's going to buy everybody a free drink, right?
Free drinks on me!
All right. Hey, Aaron, thanks for coming on.
Thank you.
And thanks for laying it out for us about RxJS. And I can't wait till RxJS Live this September.
This September, I'm excited.
And thank you all for coming on. You just learned 5 things about RxJS.